Zucchini fritters. These things are fast and easy. Everybody's going to be eating their veggies with this recipe. These zucchini fritters are so easy to make. All you need is some zucchini, garlic, egg, basil, flour, grated cheese. I'm using Pecorino Romano, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Now, this solves the problem in the summer. If you're like us and you have a garden with a lot of zucchinis and you don't know what to do with them in the season where they're coming up like so many every week, make zucchini fritters. You're going to absolutely love them. And in the grocery store, pick some up. It's one of those vegetables that you don't always grab, but there's a lot of versatility to them. And this recipe really is one that hits it home. Let's make it. First, we're going to grate the zucchini. For the prep, we're going to grate the zucchini using the large holes on a box grater. Once everything is grated, add it to a large bowl and sprinkle in about a teaspoon of salt. This step is really important. The salt pulls excess moisture out of the zucchini, which keeps the fritters from turning soggy. Let this sit for about 15 minutes and let the salt do its thing. You'll actually see water collect in the bowl, and that's exactly what you want. So after salting, the zucchini's been sitting for about 15 minutes, and a lot of that water has been drawn out. The purpose of the salt is to draw out all of that excess water. So come on in, we're gonna actually now strain the zucchini and try to get as much of that water out of this bowl as possible. After about 15 minutes, it's time to squeeze out the water, and this step is critical. If you leave too much moisture behind, the batter will be soggy and the fritters won't crisp up. I start by squeezing the zucchini firmly with my hands. Then I use a paper towel to absorb and squeeze whatever water is left. I place a strainer over a bowl so I can catch any zucchini that escapes with the liquid. Nothing gets wasted. Once the zucchini is nice and dry, we're ready to mix the batter. Next, we'll chop some garlic and fresh basil. For the 3 zucchini I'm using here, I go with 3 cloves of garlic and about 3 tablespoons of basil, but adjust to your taste. Add the herbs to the bowl with zucchini, then crack in 1 egg. Next, add a 1/4 cup of grated cheese, about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/3 cup of flour. You're looking for a batter that's scoopable and not watery or runny. If it feels too thin, add flour 1 teaspoon at a time. If it's too thick, add water 1 teaspoon at a time until you hit the right consistency. So I got the zucchini fritter mix over here. I've got a pan with a little bit of olive oil in it in the center. And over here, I have a plate with a paper towel. After we're done frying the fritters, we're gonna put them there to absorb the excess oil. I'm gonna fry them for 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and flatten them out when they're in there. So come take a closer look and we'll teach you how to do this. Using 2 spoons, scoop the mixture one at a time and gently place it into a pan with olive oil set over medium heat. Once they're in the pan, press them down slightly to flatten, almost like a pancake. Let each side cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Once the first side is set and nicely browned, flip and cook the other side. When both sides are done, transfer the fritters to a plate lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Repeat with the remaining batter, working in batches. So that's it, pretty simple, right? So those 3 zucchinis yielded 12 of these fritters. Let's dig in and try them and see how they taste. So definitely, the zucchini is the main star here of this dish. That's the base, and you can really feel that it is a zucchini dish. But the other layers of the basil and the garlic and all the breading and everything that comes together with it, the flour and salt, pepper, it's a great combination. You can taste that it's both simple and something that is very, very tasty. So this is, like I said, an easy dish to put together for the family. If you have somebody in your house that's picky with vegetables, this is the one to serve them. They'll gobble these right up. And if you're like us and your garden has a ton of extra zucchini in the summer, make these all the time. Everybody's gonna love it. Thank you for the support. Thanks for watching. We look forward to our next video. Join us next time on Real Plates, Real Life. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.